What's going on, guys? So this is part 3 of the Jeep Comanche restoration project. So I had ordered the gas tank since the old one was rusty. So I bought one, and when it got to me I realized how much bigger it was. Ended up being the one for the long bed Comanches. So I returned that, then ordered another one, which is this one. Then when I get it, it's like covered, like really thick grease, and it's pretty dirty by the sides, and like the inside is also like completely covered in grease. So like I'm not even gonna deal with that. So I contacted Amazon again. So they're gonna send me out a replacement. I just gotta send this one back. So we're gonna go take that to UPS right now. Hit a return. I got the return labels right here. I'm gonna slap those on. And yeah, now guys, so I got the return labels on there, put in the back of the S10. So yeah, let's go to UPS. Alright, so I returned from UPS. So just to like give you guys some more little updates, I should be getting a replacement tank sent soon. So let's hope it doesn't take too long. I also got a new radiator in the mail. So that's ready to be put in pretty soon. So we got that. I got some other parts in the mail coming too. So let's see. The alternator, I don't know where I left it, but I took it to AutoZone and had it tested, and it ended up being bad. So I'm also gonna have to get a new alternator. So yeah, that's it in terms of updates, I guess. So yeah, we're just gonna get started today, and let's get to it. So I think I'm gonna start with like those metal straps that hold up the gas tank. Right? I got one under the grill right here. Let's see if I can take that out one-handed. So this is one of them right here. I'm just gonna like clean this up, paint it, and get it ready to like put back on. And the other one's underneath the truck, I believe. Yeah, there it is. So I'm just gonna clean these two things up, get them painted. Then also I had put the battery tray back in here, but I think one of these AC lines was supposed to go like run underneath that, so I'm just gonna have to take the tray back out so I could run that underneath. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started with that right now. So I got the two metal straps cleaned up and sanded down a bit. So yeah, they look a lot cleaner now. So I mean, right now it's dark outside, so tomorrow when it's day, I'll just like get them painted. And yeah, so like now I fixed one of these vacuum lines for you. It was kind of cracked. Put some like electrical tape on that. It should be good. So I rerouted the AC line right here under the battery tray. It's kind of dark in there, but yeah. So now it goes under, so this is actually in the proper position now. Let's see what else. And so I'm gonna get this humongous vacuum line installed in there. See where it even goes. I'll figure that out. Yeah, so I guess this mounts up to the air box right here, and then just goes somewhere over there. We'll see where it goes. Alright. So I got a coat of paint on the straps. These are drying outside right now. And so let's see. I want to get the fan cleaned up now, and I got a fuel filter in the mail. So I'm just gonna swap that right now. So, I mean, since there's no fuel tank or anything on it, I'm not supposed to just change it for some preventative maintenance. Because if there's fuel in the tank, then it's like a pain, because then fuel starts leaking everywhere. So might as well just do it now instead of down the line. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right. Hey guys, so I'm in the bottom of the truck now. So it's a pretty simple replacement, just one nut at the top right there, and like the 2 hose clamps, and yeah, it should come right out, and then we can get the other one back in. Alright guys, so I got the fuel filter changed. It was actually, it had more fuel in it than I would have expected. But yeah, now it's changed, so we can move on from that. Alright, so the metal straps are fitted now. They look pretty much brand new. I just painted them silver, how they originally were. So I got the fan disconnected from this metal piece. So I just cleaned up the fan a little bit, and I'm just gonna paint it black again to stop the rust. Because I had a little bit of rust, not too bad though. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and I'm thinking I want to start working on these doors here, because the lock isn't like attached to the actual door, like the screws are all out and stuff. So I want to try to figure that out to see if it'll actually like close. Yeah. Alright, so I got the fan here painted already, so that's almost about to go in as soon as I get the alternator back in. So I got the bracket for the alternator put back on there. I got a new alternator, just got that in the mail today. Then I also got the gas tank again, because the other one wasn't good. So I still need the actual hose that goes from where you put the nozzle in to the gas tank. So I don't know if I'll be able to put it in today, but yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get the alternator in now. I'm gonna start with that, then I'll be able to put in the fan and stuff. So alright guys, so we got the new alternator in and got it wired up. Alright, so fan's ready to go in. I got the fan pulley. I just like sort of taped on the part where the belt goes through and just painted the rest because it was a little bit rusty. So yeah, I'm gonna get that put on. I was gonna paint the part where the belt goes through, but it's gonna get wore down anyway, so might as well just leave it how it is. So yeah, I'm gonna get that on, then you can put the fan on, and yeah, then we could like put the belt, tighten it, see if it works, and yeah. So I got the fan on now. Got the pulley there, and and I got the belt on there and tensioned. So I was putting some fogging oil in the cylinders and checking the spark plugs, see if they were good. So yeah, one spark plug completely broke off. So yeah, I'm gonna need new spark plugs, which I had already ordered anyway. So yeah, so I got new spark plugs coming in the mail. So once those get here, then we'll be almost like set to try to start it. So right now I'm gonna try to take the starter off and test it to see if it's still good. And hopefully it is, so I don't have to buy another one. So yeah, if it is, then I'll just need some, like the hose that goes to the fuel tank and the nozzle thing. And yeah, we could almost try to start this. Alright, so I got the starter out and I went ahead and tested it, and well, it's not good. So I mean, you know how the starter has like the little gear inside here that it's supposed to spin? So like when you go to start your car, the gear will like come out to right here and spin. So it comes out, but it does not spin. So that's no good. So I'm gonna have to get a new starter now. I kind of knew it would happen. I didn't think it would work, but yeah. I mean, I ordered a new starter, and yeah, pretty soon it should be able to be started. hopefully. Yeah, we're getting pretty close now, guys, so in a few more videos it should be starting. So I got the alternator and the fan in. I don't think I'm gonna put the fuel tank in yet, just because I need the actual like hose that goes from the nozzle thing, like I told you guys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna skip off from that in this video until I manage to get those hoses. And I also gotta take out the fuel pump, which hopefully it works from in here. And yeah, so I mean it's starting to come like stay. I mean, it's starting to get in shape already. I got the belt, like all the pulleys are good now, so yeah, we just need a battery too, and that's pretty much almost it. I took off all the spark plugs and put fogging oil. Well, I mean, I already told you guys, I think, yeah. But yeah, one of the spark plugs fell out, so I mean, broke off, so I'm gonna have to get new ones. And yeah, I have to do an oil change before I try to start it, make sure everything's good. But yeah, there's not much left to do. I mean, aside from the whole front situation. But yeah, this is the end of this video. So I'll be making another one pretty soon, hopefully. So yeah, see you guys.